Vikas. There is a wide slip in place for Aditya. That's a good delivery, but I think the height is an issue. But it is given well. The umpire has given it. It is Ragnesh Shukla.
As it लेकिन जो उनकी स्लो स्टार्ट है वो काफी अच्छी है. They don't lose those early wickets on. And a boundary coming up over here. Like I was saying, they don't go for the big one.
कहूँगा कहीं ना कहीं ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ये भी अच्छा खेला है. ऑन टॉप ऑफ द बॉल गए और दूसरा चौका भी लेंगे.
Very good chance to express themselves. That's in the air. And a boundary, 3 back-to-back boundaries coming up for Team Karnawati Kings. Shorter format है ये. हवा में shot और ये सीधा चलेगा 6 रन. Mid wicket. Amit Patel, second over of his spell. And a boundary he showed in the direction. Rudra Patel.
Flicked it away on the bats and 4 runs. तो Rudra Patel
Expensive, but I'm sure he's looking for a comeback. That's in the air and a big hit will come his way.
के लिए एक थोड़ी परीक्षा होगी. ये क्या डेलिकेट टच है, क्या लाजवाब शॉट. पहले टाइमिंग और फिर नजाकत.
And like I said, it's in the air and a 6 coming up.
टीम इंग्लैंड का दौरा कर रही है. इनसाइड एज और डैनिश खुश. रुद्र जाएंगे वापस. डैनिश ने लिया है बड़ा विकेट.
And then ये देखिए उमंग का ये हवाई फायर और ये 6 रन from Umang's bat.
यहाँ पे करंट रन रेट हवा में है और हवाई फायर 4 के लिए जाएगी. एज पटेल टोटल वेयर दे कैन. दैट इज अ गुड डिलीवरी. वेरी क्लोज कॉल I believe. And the finger is raised. Bonit bhai
It looked like out.
has got first wicket. Got better of another Dundee in the opposition ranks. That is driven well. Siddharth Vekaria, who had 2 balls. That is up patient. Should it be another 4? Yes, it is. Oh yes, 2 boundaries.
Siddharth. That's in the air. A 6 coming up from Ed's bat. Just what we needed to see. And look at the class return. That's in the air, but has it gone the distance? No, it was shaked away. Go to the fielder at long off. In for the last few overs. And that's a straight shot. A boundary coming up for Siddharth Vekaria.
अरे थोड़ी वहाँ पे बॉल हाइड करी थी रयान ने और बल्ला घुमाया चिंतन ने पर सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में.
There's a boundary.
That was a brilliant delivery. There was absolute 180 mark. Oh, fortune favors the brave.
And we were discussing it during the second over. Itself was the one where you can see that's in the air and a wicket, like we were saying.
Absolutely. A heritage, even if. And that's in the slot. And I think we're not going to find the ball for a very long time.
Then the entire team is going to crumble, and that
And another one. Wow.
We knew it from the moment he stepped down.
That danger. And I think this should. Oh. He should work that out, but this is a boundary.
That's a boundary.
Absolutely.
That's very
And
much possible. That's in the air.
I think this is going to also go for a boundary. Absolutely is. He went for the hero and he's cleared it.
6 for a 4.
I think that's definitely a 6. Up. And that's cleared.
What a way to
Wow.
end those innings.
Wow, that has gone way too far. Hitting the ball around very cleanly till he was caught in the deep. Umang did not stick there for a very long time. Hit his first ball for a 6. Siddharth gave in some time and that was a hard-earned 40 for him. And then Hiten, of course, doing the honors and clearing the innings out. In the bowling department, Vikas he got a wicket in the first and the last over.
And that is hit well and in the gap. 4 runs for first over. And the fielder is inside there and will be 4 runs. Cut away. Rahul Ahuja getting a. That is up in the air, top edge. The wicket keeper. That is nicely played and running away to the fence. That is nicely played and will be 4 runs. just hit that well. That is right-hander, and the catch is taken at the third attempt.
It's in the air, but has it gone the distance or has it just stayed in the air? No, that's a wicket.
Very good innings today. It is a pitch, but it is in the gap, so we'll get 4 runs for Jamit Patel. About them, that they really look so good to the eye. It is also played well, and will be another 4. Finding the gap. That is what needed. And that will be fine. And that is nicely pulled away. Will be 4 runs. And that looks close. Siddharth is convinced. We have to wait for the square leg umpire signal.
And put their blame, and none of them would, oh, there's a wicket. Is there a wicket?
And oh, that's a good shot
a
by
boundary.
Sujal.
That's a boundary.
That's a good shot. A punch for a beautiful boundary again.
Once again.
And to be fun. Yes, as I said, this is going to be fun. And
It's a 4.
Rakesh had Siddharth should try to bowl outside that wide ball. Oh, he's cleared that for another boundary. Bowl outside. Yes.
Oh, and that's a 6.
And look at, and here Varun Bhai, he's so happy.
Right ball in my opinion.
Oh, that's a hit.
Oh, that was in the slot though.
That's a hit, and Varun Amin would be very happy alongside.
2 overs are going to be brilliant. And he comes outside his crease, works it away, takes it to full toss, and that's a get ready for action. As I said, that's straight down the ground for a wonderful 6. That brings up his 50 balls. And yes,
And
I think that's going to be a catch. Oh, that's a
For the big
6.
one.
Moving up. And
Oh, he has.
No,
he has
I
tapped
think,
out, and that's a wicket. And Sujal is gone.
oh, that's a good shot.
Right.
Let's see what the captain does here. And
And it has gone
that's
for
a
the maximum.
huge 6. Let's see where this goes.
The last 3 overs.
And a 6.
And it's a 6.
That's going to clear the ropes. Wow. It's to change his line. And he's done that. Wow.
And a comeback. I'm sure now you'll be happy.
That's a brilliant ball.
Now you'll be happy.
We go to the qualification scenario.
Before we make any more assumptions.
And that's going to be a 6. A clean. Oh! That's a start to the team, or is it going to be? Oh, he's bowled him. He's knocked it over. A double wicket maiden for Sabarmati strikers, and they're going to be all out. That's 20 overs done.
That's it from our owners, and we shall